In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import existing data on monday.com. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to monday.com. Once you're there, you'll find the login button prominently displayed. Click on that, and it will take you to the login page. If you've set up multi-account or different login methods, there's no need to worry. Simply click on Google to continue and select your Google account if prompted. This ensures a quick and secure way to access your monday.com workspace. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to find and click on the Import Data option. This feature is invaluable when you need to move existing data into your monday.com environment without starting from scratch, saving you a tremendous amount of time and effort. Once you've clicked on Import Data, the next step is to choose the Excel option. This is because we're going to be uploading our data using a CSV file, which is a common format for spreadsheets. Now's the time to find that CSV file on your computer, click on Browse, and navigate through your computer's files to select the correct one. With your CSV file selected, click on Let's Customize Your New Board. This interactive step is where the data transformation magic happens, allowing you to tailor the imported data to match your existing monday.com board structures. A new interface will open up where you can configure your table to ensure everything maps correctly. This is the step where you'll want to spend a few minutes to ensure that your data fields align with your current board columns. After configuring the table, the next step is to customize your columns. Monday.com gives you a variety of column types such as status, due date, and priority, which can be assigned to the data you're importing. Tailor your columns to suit the incoming data and the needs of your project or team. Now, with all your data configured and your columns set, you'll see the Create Board button. Go ahead and click it. Your new board should now be created with all the data from your CSV file. Congratulations, you've just completed the bulk data import on monday.com. The simplicity of the integration makes it an effective solution for handling large data sets, and the flexibility offered allows you to adapt as needs grow or change. If you follow these steps, you should find importing data to become a seamless part of your workflow on monday.com. Thanks for watching.